They're shout, of course, but they're not meddling with the life today. These immortal beings spend their time in parties and gatherings, great halls and palaces.
Shelly, you look lovely, my dear. Not as beautiful as I am, of course, but let them be Aphrodite. Surely the newlyweds want to spend time away from the eyes of men, especially the gods. No, it is all right, Athena. It is an honor that both of you came to our wedding.
Thank you for gracing our humble wedding with your presence. I couldn't imagine that I could see the goddess of love and beauty or the goddess of wisdom, much more seeing you both together at my wedding.
You are indeed lovely.
Announcing the arrival of Zeus, god of all gods, and Hera, queen of all gods.
Why should you be so humble? You should not get Aphrodite before you are out. You are Zeus' grandson.
Shh! Not too loud. Hera is here. You know how she gets crazy if reminded about my grandfather's humanizing.
Why did you bring me here? I don't want to have anything to do with the marriage of a mortal and a low-ranking goddess. This is not worth my time.
Nonsense! You spend all your time defying and ruining other women's lives.
Not just some women, your women, because you can be trusted not even for a minute. You beg all female creatures in this universe. Do you expect...
Silence!
How dare they not invite me to the wedding? I am Ares. Nobody messes Ares. I am the goddess of strife. Oh my God! Didn't you hear me? Do you know who I am? Open the door at once!
I'm sorry, goddess. I was told not to let you eat.
What did you say?
They told me not to let you inside, goddess.
Well, since I am not invited, I just sent my gift to the newlyweds. Here's the golden apple. This says the fair. Ariel, maybe it's the wedding gift for Dennis. Tiara, it says to the fairer. Since I'm the prettiest among the team, I should give it. Talia, you shouldn't take what is not for you. I'm sure you don't want to anger the gods. Come, give me the apple. I will. Excuse me, Athena. I should be the one giving it. Why? I found it first. But I found it first. Why? Athena, what is your title again? Goddess of Wisdom. And what is my title? Goddess of Love and Beauty. There. So this is mine. Aphrodite, you will be the goddess of love and beauty. Because you should give me the apple. Why not? Because it's mine. What is your title? Goddess of Wisdom. And you are? Goddess of Love and Beauty. And I am the queen of all the gods and goddesses.
Grandfather, please make me stop. The ladies, I know this women. They are spicy, fierce, and loud-mouthed. If I give that apple to anyone who takes, the two will not be forever. Ah, that is a virgin. We must celebrate by the